Hi! In front of me is Chuwi HiPad Max, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to find Photos app, and when you find it, click on it. Then select wherever you wish to in Backup and Synchronize pop-up, and hold one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. In my case, this one. Now to pick multiple ones right away, tap on all of those dots at the top left corners. Then, to exclude some of your photos, you can tap on them. And to get rid of the rest, hit this bin icon next to the shopping cart at the top right corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-ups. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my chosen photos were successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!